The ISA LS13 shotgun. A semi-automatic weapon best suited for close-quarter engagement, equipped with a flashlight to assist in locating enemy players while moving within dark quarters or confined spaces. Fully loaded, the LS13 chambers 8 shells, each firing a dense cloud of pellets. The rate of fire is very slow, with a reload time of just over 5 seconds. Unlike other projectile weapons, the spread pattern of a shotgun blast is unaffected by your position, so crouching is not necessary. When using this weapon, one should always try to avoid medium to long-range engagements, as the effectiveness of the blast greatly diminishes over longer distances. Designed specifically for close-quarter engagements, the LS13 is capable of killing almost any opponent with one shot. As with other projectile weapons, you should aim for the head to ensure a quick kill against any opponent. At medium range, you will need at least 2 well-placed shots to kill your opponent. While headshots are possible, aim for the body to ensure that the enemy receives majority of the blast radius. The effectiveness of the LS13 reduces significantly with even minor increased distance between you and the enemy.